Shosho guys, welcome back to Speaker Nawe. I'm still your boy Taylor DJ. So ngiyabheka uSpeaker Nawe. Siphethe ingoma entshasha ekamthandeni laphana uhamba nomzi wakhe Mbule benumahu laphana. So ingoma le yenziwe i-World Cup. Sazi ukuthi i-World Cup event enkulu yenzeka after 4 years kuhlangane umhlaba wonke. So ama-artist amaningi nje yasemhlabeni akhiphile even naphesheya kwezilwandle laphana. So naye omthandeni laphana ubamele omaskandi laphana ukuyikhiphile ingoma le ithi Africa Unite and ingoma inalo leso siqi leso esamaskandi kodwa futhi yabo inakuba pop because ingoma lezo bidlala kubo abantu ababukela ibhola kuma stadium is not like ingoma ezongena ku-album so akumelanga mhlawumbe izomaskandi ngaleyo ndlela kodwa ke bakhona abalandeli bamaskandi abayigxekayo ngoba bathi mhlawumbe lapha ku-production yalekha ukhona nje umunye uproducer waseThekwini ongadumile kakhulu uMPZ nawo ke zathi kumtinyaya laphana ezikamthandeni because wenze icomment laphana wathi no isiqi samthandeni since aqala nje ukuhamba lo shuna sewulisi khontele ekhaya laphana engahlangana lakhana ku mastering but mina I think umjaja kwengoma wrong le because le ngoma yenzele World Cup is not like engoma mhlambe ezongena kwi-album laphana and into abangasoze bayithatha away from SK indlela akakwazi ukwenza ngayo ingoma ibe hit noma enandisa ingoma ke lo formula ke into ehlula abantu abaningi khona abantu abanama-album iminyaka abanama hit song because iformula abayibambanga I think umthandeni lento edama spice engomeni sewinto esegazini u-18 nakule ngoma even ama numbers ingoma yahamba nje I think ingoma abantu abaningi ababuka ibhola bazoyi-enjoy because lezi ngoma ezikanjena ingoma esiwezenzele leso sikhashana leso njengalezi ngoma ezazenze nge-World Cup laphana khona le ngoma yenziwe Shakira ibe nabantwana base Cape Town laphana i-Freshly Drowned nayo ingoma eyayiduma leso sikhathi but masengidlule World Cup azibe saba dominant because isuke sikhandile leso sikhathi ke so I think lento ukuthi mhlambe egxekwe kakhulu egxekela for ingoma yenzele World Cup akukho fair mina nje ingoma ngizwe imnandi ingoma yaphindeka umahu nje laphana usounda kahle I think beno SK ikhona le connection abanayo so mina ingoma ngiyithandela uSpeaker Nawe ngiyabezwa abanye bekhuluma but I think ingoma imnandi and ngihappy ukuthi ngibona omunye omaskandi ejoina because lento yokwenzeka ukuthi makuzoba iWorld Cup kwenziwe music into eyitrend yenziwa globally so kusuke kuzokwenziwa imali eningi because iWorld Cup iyona event enkulu kunawo wonke enzeka emhlabeni like iWorld Cup when it comes to ama-sponsor izinto esizofaka lapha i-marketing ispendwa khona so kuyithuba ukuthi ama-artist enze imali so ama-artist amaskandi-ke la asafufusa I hope ayabuya lapha kumthandeni kwenziwa kanjani because bakhombisa indlela lapha makuzoba khona into ekhona makuzoba ne-Valentine any occasion maskandi artist bele wenze something nawe yabo uhlezi uready zibe khona ingoma ecoverisha Mother's Day like ngiyajabula mangizwe ingoma efana lezi ezolimit yabo ecover like ingoma makukhona umuntu oshonile yabo staff sadinga ingoma kanjalo mhlawumbe sadinga nengoma happy birthday amaskandi ezoba mnandi yabo ikhumbuleke so that umaskandi uzohlezi urelevant because i-birthday is like ama-birthday enzeka every day that's why it's a business in because ushoot abantu abazala every day so yeah but ngizoyivala lapho nje ivideo yami I think ingoma imnandi anyone nje oxala le ngoma I think uyi-hater and-ke mhlawumbe ngibuyele back to MPZ uproducer onsoyempu naye mangathiwa sithi umhlaziya naye ama-hit song ayamhlula laphana because ukwazi ukuhlanganisa iy'ngoma and stuff but ingoma akayikhiphayo zimbali engangezizo zama-hit song mhlawumbe naye laphana ku-SK ikhona into angayifunda mhlawumbe ngathatha ama-note 1 or 2 laphana because wonke umuntu uba nayo into abanayo ebenazo izici zakhe but I think naye ama-hit song yamhlula so u-SK laphana le formula ama-hit song uyena umuntu oyiphethe njengamanje ibuzwa kuyo ingoma emnandi zoyivala lapho nguSpeaker Nawe sekhona ku-Twitter @Speaker Nawe sikhona ku-TikTok Speaker Nawe show sibe khona ku-Facebook Speaker Nawe away we out.